Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can create a deep analytic agent to analyze your data from CSV or Excel file formats. Let's get started. Click on the AI agent, click on Deep Analytic Agent, New SQL Agent, Generate Analysis, Report and Chart. AI agent title, enter a title for your AI agent. AI agent description. Enter a description for your AI agent upload file here. You need to drag and drop or click to upload your supported files, such as XLSX, XLS, or TXT for free. Click on this and upload a file from your computer. Click on this to open Edit Sources. Click on Create SQL Agent to upload and process files. When it's done, then click on Open Chat. Here is your deep analytic AI agent for analyzing the data of your online mobile store. Greetings to you. How can I help you today? And this is your online mobile store manager or SQL agent. Let's type your query here. The shipping, the specific location and address of the top section, and the absolute highest volume of sales or of units. Collecting your data and preparing to analyze. Build. I have prepared your requested response in the form of a table, including details for shipping address, quantity, and the highest recorded quantity. Here is a query and here is the response. So you can easily activate your trigger by clicking on this, and here is your trigger. Click on this and choose the question that will trigger this alert. Tell me the name of all products. Click on Next for that update on schedule, then click on the board, select frequency, hover over it. Click on Next, then select a group. The sales team contact will click Next. Select the Create Alert option so you can very easily create a customized alert for all of your team members. If you just want to easily view the existing alerts, then simply click on Enable Automation so you can conveniently view every one of your alerts in one place. Click on this button and then navigate back to the chat window. If you want to share this specific chat with others, click on this icon. Make it public so you can easily share all of your important data with these various external platforms. Click here for the settings of your SQL AI agent. Click on this so you can easily edit the title of your agent. Click on this to save. These are the leads. Roles. Select role. Customer service, helpful, safe, facts. Here you can easily enter frequently asked questions and their answers. Add FAQ manually. Add a fact from a URL so you can easily drop a link from a URL. You can easily drag and drop or click to upload the FAQ document, then click the Save button. Promotions, add any promotions or fields currently active on your website. Model, select your preferred model, such as GPT-4, Gemini, and set the temperature source. We have already used the Excel file as a source. Share. Chat visibility, make it public or private. If you make it public, then anyone can easily access it. If you make it private, then only you can access it. You can also share it with dedicated links. This way, people can easily access your SQL agent by using this QR code. Click on this to go back to the chat. If you want to refresh the chat, then click on this. Chat reset successfully. If you want to download any of your output information in PDF format, just click on this so you can easily export your PDF from here. Hope everything works. Thank you so much for watching.